OPPO K12s launched in China today. OPPO K12s 5G appears to have a square rear camera module with rounded edges with two camera sensors placed in a vertical pill-shaped slot. The volume rocker and power button are seen on the right edge. An IP65 rated build, it seems to have a flat display with narrow side bezels. OPPO K12s 5G come in white, purple, and black. The K12s is likely to come with a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED screen, an in-display fingerprint sensor. It will be powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC and 12GB of RAM. Run Android 15 with ColorOS 15. The handset carry a 50-megapixel dual rear camera unit, a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The smartphone will be backed by a 7,000 mAh battery with 80W wired fast charging support. 8GB plus 128GB priced at 1,199 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.